Sarah Boone is still on the stand. She took the stand after lunch and the court allowed in her defense. It was a very big win for the defense, and it's going to extend this case a little bit because we're going to have more experts and more witnesses coming in for the defense with regard to the self-defense and the battered spouse claim that we weren't sure would be allowed in. The court found that there was a scintilla, which is like the littlest of little bit of evidence that there was an overt act. The court did not say which overt act there was, but Sarah Boone testified in direct that he was saying that he would fucking end her from the suitcase. And that is what she heard, and that is what she acted on. And then we will get into the defense medical experts with regard to battered spouse and the self-defense claim here. Then the prosecution will be able to bring rebuttal witnesses when the defense rests their case. So yes, this case is going to go on a few more days than it would have had the court kept that defense out. The jury will get to decide ultimately what the facts of this case are and whether what she says in court now holds more water or whether what she said in her interviews with law enforcement saying things have been better, things have been good, and we were just messing around. It was a good day and we were playing around. And at the end of the day, was this a second-degree murder where she knew he was begging to be released, zipped him in and said, I'm going to bed, good luck getting out? The jury will also be allowed to consider the lesser included of a manslaughter, which really goes to negligence. Was she negligent in leaving him there? Was she not doing it with a depraved heart, but was she just like, meh, I'm going to bed? If that video didn't exist, this might have been charged, if charged, as just a manslaughter where she said, this was an accident. I just went up to bed. I was drunk. I zipped him in. I totally forgot. That was on me. This might have just been charged as a manslaughter, but the video of her mocking him is why the prosecution, I think, brought the depraved heart here.